Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and I'm excited today to bring you some information about natural hair colorants that are practically permanent. That's right, you heard correctly. These are 100% botanical origin, natural hair colorants that work even on grey hair that give almost permanent coverage. Let me introduce you to the range. They are Nat Pure Kohl hair dyes from Sensient. Now, being a Sensient product, you can be assured about batch-to-batch consistency, quality, and low heavy metals, even though they're of natural origin. You can see these very bright hair swatches here, and these are the colors that can be created. Now, over here, these are 3 straight pure colorants, and these are the colors that can be created. Now, it's important to note the hair already has to be light or it can be grey. The powders come just like this, which is ideal because you can either use them as straight colorants. You can get their ready mixed colorants, so they have some ready mixed blends of powders that help create a cool brown, a warm brown, a light blonde color. So they're already pre-mixed. These 3 colors have been mixed to create these pre-mixed shades, or you can create your own. Now, the team at Sensient also have some fantastic ideas of how you can customize these colorants. You can either provide them with your brand on there as 100% straight powders, or they have got a formulation example where they've added some coconut oil and some essential oils, and you can do much the same. Now, to use them, you only need 1 part of the powder, and then you add 3 parts of water. Now, it needs to be warm water, and then you stir. And this product can then get applied to the hair. It's then heated at 45 degrees for 30 minutes, and you'll see these fantastic colors then develop. And there's also some great test data showing how well the color lasts even after 21 washes. So while they're called semi-permanent, you really can consider these colors to be quite permanent. One of the great things I love about this particular colorant range is it is natural, and we're seeing an ever increasing pressure on companies to bring out natural products that really deliver on their promises. The only shortcoming of these materials is they need to be applied to either very light hair, we'd be talking my coloration, to get the best results. You can add the darker colors to already darker brown hair to really get an enriched color performance, but they work sensationally on grey hair. Now, anyone who's ever worked with permanent or semi-permanent colorants will know grey hair is actually usually the hardest hair to work with, whereas these natural colorants work particularly well on grey hair, and you'll get fantastic color results when the hair is already grey or quite light to begin with. The Sensient team have also got an amazing amount of regulatory information, so you can contact them and you can also contact us for more information about this range, or speak with your Sensient rep directly, and they will help you navigate the regulatory landscape for these materials. They are allowed for use in the EU under Annex 3 as colorants, so you can use them around Europe without a problem. Other countries, please do check with Sensient about regulatory use for some of these materials. They are based on natural plant extracts, so there are some regulatory restrictions. But again, the information we have on file and your Sensient rep will be able to help you specifically with any of these questions. Another great thing about these products is they are vegan friendly. They're non-GMO, they are halal certified, and there is no animal testing. They don't require an oxidative process. They don't contain ammonia or peroxides, and as I've mentioned a few times, they're 100% botanical origin with Sensient guarantee of batch-to-batch consistency, quality and purity. I've brought you this information because I do get asked a lot about natural colourants, and in particular natural colourants for the hair that really work. These materials impress me because they definitely tick those boxes and they don't cause oxidative damage. So if you're looking for some natural colourants, you can contact us for some preliminary information, but please discuss with your Sensient rep so you can create some amazing natural colourants that really wow your consumers without the normal oxidative damage associated with permanent hair colourants. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions or comments below, and remember to subscribe to get notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!